Before starting the maintenance work, wear safety glasses and hand gloves. For examining the battery condition, I will show you how to clean the acid residue and debris over the battery and how to remove the battery cable over the battery. Make sure the vent is not open, otherwise the debris and acid residue will go inside the battery. For cleaning the battery, first use a proper spanner to remove the battery cable, and you have to ensure that it should not touch any other part of the body. Gently remove it. After removing the battery cable, use a disposable cloth for cleaning the acid residue and debris. Clean it properly with use a battery terminal spray for cleaning the terminals, or you can use water as well. And also clean the battery terminal cable as well. After cleaning the battery, apply some amount of silicone gel over the battery cable and over the terminal. While connecting the cable, make sure that you are tightened up properly. If you tighten it up so hard, this will damage the terminal. If anything has loosened up, then it will melt down the battery terminal. We really hope that you have got some good information on this video. So thank you and encourage you whenever you need. Gemini is always with you. Thank you.